So an exciting new implant that's coming out is the Smart Total Knee Arthroplasty. And what it is that there's an attachment to one of the implants on the knee replacement. That attachment has a long-term battery, the same battery that's used in a pacemaker. And there's also a gyroscope and other intricate workings within the knee replacement. So what it does is it allows me, it basically communicates with me through a certain system called My Mobility. And I'm able to see how many steps a patient's taking. I'm able to see how the physical therapy is going in terms of range of motion. There's certainly no GPS trackers or anything like that. It only submits the data that it picks up on a day-to-day basis. It doesn't submit where that is taken from. And what we're hoping to do is to kind of extrapolate that out in terms of applying it on a routine basis to patients' total knee arthroplasties, and hopefully to continue to increase or better the outcomes of total knee arthroplasty.